Hello everyone and welcome to GES Quick News Broadcast, your trusted source for the latest updates in the Ghana Education Service. I'm GES, and today we have important news for teachers preparing for the GES Promotion Exam 2024, also known as the 2023B exam. Let's get right into it. Teachers preparing for the GES Promotion Exam 2024 should note that the exam is projected to be administered in August 2024. According to information from a reliable source, Google Forms were used to collect data from officers and teachers who have not been placed on the scale for prompt action. This issue is expected to be resolved by the end of July 2024. Index numbers will be distributed at the end of July. If these timelines are met, candidates will have up to 2 weeks to prepare for the promotion exams scheduled for mid-August. Teachers intending to sit for the GES Promotion Exam 2024 are advised to start preparing now. Utilize past questions and online tuition services offered by renowned consultants to enhance your readiness. Applicants who qualify for promotion to the following grades should begin their preparations. 1. Deputy Director. 2. Assistant Director I. 3. Assistant Director II. 4. Principal Superintendent. Let's look at the qualifications required for each grade. 1. Deputy Director. Applicants must have been promoted to Assistant Director I on or before 2020 and must have been continuously at post since then, except for approved leave of absence. 2. Assistant Director I. Applicants must have been promoted to Assistant Director II on or before 2020 and must have been continuously at post since then, except for approved leave of absence. 3. Assistant Director II. Applicants must have been promoted to Principal Superintendent on or before 2020 and must have been continuously at post since then, except for approved leave of absence. 4. Principal Superintendent. Applicants must have been promoted to Senior Superintendent I on or before 2020 and must have been continuously at post since then, except for approved leave of absence. 4. For officers and teachers with master's or PhD degrees, here are additional details. 1. The master's or PhD program must be on the approved GES course of study. 2. The master's or PhD certificate should not have been obtained before the previous promotion. We encourage all applicants to start preparing as early as possible to ensure success in the upcoming exams. Stay focused, study hard, and make use of all available resources. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on promotions, job vacancies, and other important GES news. Good luck to all applicants, and until next time, stay informed and stay ahead. Bye-bye.